C-Lash is a false lash range created for those who have few to no natural lashes. This makes it suitable for anyone going through chemotherapy with alopecia or trichotillomania. C-Lash works due to its medical grade hypoallergenic tape, which is how the lash is secure to your eyelids. Take the lash plus backing paper off the tray. The backing paper helps keep the tape hygienic and also maintains its stickiness in between wears. Check that the length of the lash tape is suitable for the length of your eye by holding the tape as close to your eyelid as possible. If it looks too long, trim the lash from the outer edges. Carefully peel the tape from the backing paper, avoiding touching the tape's sticky side as much as possible. Apply the tape sticky side down, following the line of your eyelid. Gently press the tape to secure. You can rewear C-Lash multiple times if you carefully store the lashes back on the paper in between use. If you find the stickiness fading over time, you can use the glue that comes in the pack. Apply it onto the tape, wait for it to go tacky and apply it onto your eyelid in exactly the same way. If you plan to wear eyeshadow, we recommend you put it on after you applied your lashes so your tape blends with your eyeshadow.